Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you WhatsApp secret tricks that you should try. So guys, for that go to your WhatsApp. Guys, if you want to see who you talk to the most on WhatsApp and check your WhatsApp stories, then you have to follow this step. For that, go to the three dot icon, go to settings. Now tap on storage and data. Go to manage storage. And guys, here you can see your WhatsApp storage and you can also see who you talk to the most on your WhatsApp. And guys, if you don't want to open WhatsApp every time to chat with someone you frequently message, you can add a shortcut to their chat on your home screen. So for that, again go to your WhatsApp. Now select the chat that you want. Then tap on the three dot icon and select Add Chat Shortcut. Tap on Add. And then this chat shortcut will be added on your home screen. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.